Baidu's Ernie writes poems, but says it has insufficient information on Xi tests show. Well, are you surprised at all, Will, that Ernie has limited information?
Yeah, but people are going to try it, and...
Well, of course they would try it. Ernie's got less information than anyone else. Guaranteed.
Yeah.
There's probably 1,000 things Ernie can't talk to you about or write poems about. I feel bad for Ernie. Give Ernie a chance. Maybe Ernie could have been good. Take the training wheels off Ernie. Well, of course, that's what people are saying about ChatGPT. They're like, let it run free, like a wild horse.
Yeah.
I don't know where that goes. Baidu's co-founder and chief executive, Robin Li, showcases its artificial intelligence-powered chatbot known as ErnieBot during a news conference. That's what we're seeing in this image right here. But as you would come to expect, it's been tested. Baidu's ErnieBot can, within seconds, generate pictures of flowers and write Tang Dynasty-style poems, but will decline questions about Chinese President Xi Jinping by saying it has not yet learned how to answer them. I don't mind that angle. That's a little more believable, right? And less controversial. Yeah, it's not like when you were trying to ask ChatGPT the Trump poems, and then at first it was like, I will not write a poem about, and then the next time around it was like, okay, fine.
Yeah.
And then it wrote
begrudgingly.
Yeah, it wrote the angry poem or the whatever, divisive or whatever it was. And then in this case, it's just like, I don't really know. I don't know. What are you looking at? You looking at me? You got the wrong guy. He's like, did you do your homework? Who? Me?
My dog gave my homework.
And somehow you're just like, all right, well, you're cute.
It's more forgivable.
You're cute.
Yeah.
You're cute. That's why they did it like that. Tests by Reuters of ChatGPT indicated the Microsoft-backed chatbot is not averse to answering such questions compared to Ernie. Well, yeah. For them, that's arm's length. There's a little more distance there for ChatGPT when it comes to political leaders outside of the U.S. It's all these,
right.
The politics just reaching in there, Will. Influencing.
Yeah.
You know how that goes.